Enter Bollywood. Want to catch all the excitement of Bollywood? Just log on to zoomtv.in.
Karan says that you and Shah Rukh together are a godsend couple for him. He says, like, I'm thankful to God for that. What's your comment on that?
I'm thankful to God for that as well. I think we're lucky to be friends. I think more than luck, I think also we are. We've all put in our little bit into our friendship, and we've made the effort to be friends through the years, and I think that counts.
Yeah, which is why he even delayed starting his movie, because he wanted you at any cost, and you were not ready because you were in your hiatus.
No, nothing like that. I think he made Kank in between as well. So no, I don't think that he's done anything like that. I think friendship is about doing your own thing and still being friends besides it. So we're friends besides the fact that we make movies together.
Wow. But expectations are very high. Does that bother you?
Not really, because I think when you're trying desperately to live up to expectations, you don't, ever.
Okay.
So I think you can just go ahead, do your best, know that you've done your best, and go from there.
Okay, and over the years, Kajol, how have you managed to steer clear of controversies, cat fights? You don't hear anything of that. You hear about every other actor, but not about you.
I don't know, actually, considering that I'm not the most diplomatic person on earth, but I think now everybody's gotten used to me. आदत पड़ गई है सबको कि ये तो पागल है, ये तो बोलने ही वाली है, अब इसको छोड़ दो, बुरा मानने की बात क्या है उसमें?
So सब डर के दूर रहते हैं.
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
Yeah, and you and Kareena get along really well while doing Stepmom, you guys.
Yeah.
So, I mean, Arjun must have felt really left out, or like...
Not at all. In fact, we all got along very well together. He's really been sweet and very cooperative and, just like able to let us be when we want to be. So we've all had a good time together, touch wood.
But he was saying that I was very intimidated by these two women. He's saying, I have to get it right, dude. But now he's won the national award, so I think he's a little easier.
Well, the movie's almost over. Let me put it that way.
Yeah. Karan said in an interview recently that, you were born to be a mom.
Yeah,
he
completely.
said she has a natural instinct, so, stepmom is just right for her.
Yeah, I believe that about myself as well, that if I have a niche to, I found my niche in life, and I found that very early on, that I was born to be a mom. I always knew that about myself. I wanted to be one from the age of 8. And yeah, really, by the time I got my first doll, I wanted to adopt a baby. I had decided by the age of 8, I said, when I'm 18, I'm going to adopt a baby, because I couldn't think of having one at that point of time. But I think then by that time I was like, I'm doing movies and this and that, and I'm working and this and that. So now I finally had mine, and I'm supremely satisfied.